All right. Good morning. Well, it looks like we've taken out some highs there, all-time highs in the NQ futures. Touching those highs again, getting a rejection spot here. Let's move these down. We got Nvidia up, Apple up, Microsoft up, Meta up. The question is, are we going to break these highs up here? Touched 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Adjust that up a little bit. Will we break those highs that we touched this morning? Had a couple small wins earlier this morning before the stream started. $181. Just a couple of base hits before we started on this $100,000 account that I'm trying to get funded with Apex. Yeah, we've got Nvidia at all-time highs, 157.47. Will that hit 160 today? Meta was doing good up there at 735. It's dropping now, so we'll just have to see what happens there. Apple and Microsoft holding, so this might keep going up today. We're above the VWAP. We're above the 21 EMA, and we're above the 9 EMA. All positive signs to the upside. All right, I'm going to take a quick break here. I'll be right back. right. Do we go up or do we go down today? That is the question. We got a lot of rejections up here, these all-time highs. Now we're touching the 9. Let's see how this 5-minute candle closes. Touching the 9 EMA again. Okay. A little bit of sell in there. Hesitant to take shorts because of this strong move up here. Kind of got a bull flag pennant going here. We drew a line from here, that high. Ooh. Broke down, hit the 21 and the VWAP there. You know what? I'm going to take a quick long. We got some more selling there. Gonna add to that. There we go. And out. Quick profit there, a small little trade. Again, up about $186. Wasn't much, but it was a little bounce I should have held there. Held one of the micros. It was 2 micro contracts. I got out both because I saw some more pressure coming down, so I should have held one. Nice VWAP 21 EMA bounce right there. I just don't like the fact that we are below the 9, but again, that was kind of a risky scalp, but a few bucks there. Remember, it's all about base hits. Base hits every day. All right. We're coming back up into that 9. would say, could you take a short here at the 9 back down to the 20, but look at that wick. So we're going to stay out. Alright, we're going to get another trade here. And you can see we're up $186.32 on the day. Yesterday we had a nice day, up 2,300. Alright, some more selling here. We're going to bounce again off the 21, or we're going to keep going down. Not looking for shorts unless we get below the VWAP, especially in this market. Some selling here. Getting a lot of selling here. Again, I don't trust it. This market's been on a severe uptrend lately. Shorts have not been the way to go. But we'll see. We're below the 9. We're below the 21. Let's see if we get a close here below the 21. Remember, we're still in an uptrend. And if we go over here and look at the 30-minute chart, yeah. $15-minute opening range breakout low is right here. So we got a long way to go for shorts, unless we're looking for quick scalps. Look at the hourly chart. It's a big wick right there. See how that finishes. All right. Zoom out a little bit, try and get a better picture of what's going on here. Let's move this over. Don't need all that room. Yeah. Okay, well, Apple's pointing down. Nvidia's seen a little retracement here. Meta starting to head down too. So maybe since we tapped some all-time highs here, Palantir as well. Sorry guys, let me put that up for you. We've got Nvidia here, all-time highs. Look at Coinbase, huge sell-off here. The Qs, Meta, all-time highs. I think we're at 739, so we got close to those. We're seeing some sell-off here. Palantir, big sell-off here. I'm not sure what that's for. I haven't checked the news. Tesla's about even. Apple starting to come down. Microsoft starting to come down. MicroStrategy up on the day. So Getting a nice VWAP bounce there. Okay. So you can see here from the low today all the way to the high. So if we did a little Fibonacci retracement and we started from the low there and we went all the way up to the high, yeah, we're below that 50%. Okay, coming down, we're seeing some selling here. We're back down to VWAP. Are we going to get a break? Are we going to get a break or are we going to bounce? We want to see a break and retest of that VWAP before we go short. Remember, patience is the name of the game. I like this touch point right here, top of the 21. Yeah, seeing a little bounce here. Could be reversing back up. The VWAP's always a good spot to do that. We did close. We have a 5-minute close here below the 21. We got to close below the 9 EMA. We got to close between the 21 EMA, and now we're touching the VWAP. So let's see if we continue down. Will we get a second close, or are we going to go back up and close above the 21 now? It's touching, struggling. Is this the reversal candle? We're going to start going back up. Two minutes left on this candle. Let's see what we do here. Essentially, we like to wait for candles to close. What do we got on the 2-minute chart? Yeah, 2 minutes looking good here. Get right up above this wick high. to set a long here. 2. Alright, we're in, not yet. Detection. Okay, we're in. Well, let's continue up. Now, got a little too early there. Let's see what happens here. Alright, we're still in. See if we can get back up to that 21. I'm looking for a target right there. Can we do it? Can we do it? I'm going to set my stop right here, right below this wick low. Okay, yeah, we're going back up. So one right there, we're out. So the second one at the 21 EMA. There we go. And all out. Okay, make sure you clear the board. It's a nice trade there. We took it right at the top of this wick high, and we're still going. Could have held, but oh, it's still going. Still should have held one contract. That's okay. All right, we are now up $198.74. Again, base hits. 198.74 times 5. That would be $1,000 for the week. That would be $4,000 for the month. How many of you like to have $4,000 for the month? That's a payout. All right? Okay, you know what? I am done for the day. We're at the 30-minute mark, and we are positive today. That's 3 days in a row. 3 streams in a row, 3 days in a row, all positive. I'm going to take my money and walk. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And everyone have a great weekend. And I will see you back here on Monday. All right, ciao.